and this is data handling. So if you are new in our channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So this chapter is too big, that's why I have made 3 parts of it, okay, and this is part 1, and let's start the class now. So what do you mean by data? You may come across in your daily life, you may come across from 2-3 information, like in World Cup, how many runs a cricketer hit in 20 or 25 hours. Okay, the information collected like these cases is called data. Okay, now we'll go to data handling. This is about data. Now we'll go to data handling. Data handling means the storing the information according to the what is available. Okay, now we'll go to graphs. So in graphs, first is pictograph. I'll tell you the definition. Pictorial representation of data using by symbols. I'll show you how. Let's take a picture of pictograph. So you can see that it is a pictograph now. You can see at the top there is one car there, and that one symbol of car carries 100 cars. So that one symbol carries 100 cars, and you will come now July their side there is half car, and that half car is equal to 50, and how half into 100, so it will we will get 50. Okay, so we get, if full is 100 and half is 50. So now we'll go to left side, and there are some months: July, August, September. These are the values, or sorry, these are the values, and according to the basis of the quantities like date, year, and many more, etc. And those are July, those are months now. July, August, September, 3 months are there. And now we will go to right side, July, and the right. There are 2 cars and 1 half car, means, and 1 car carries 100 cars, and 1 half car carries 50. So is equals to 250 now. The July carries 250 now. And now we'll go to August. There are 3 cars, so 1 car carries 100. So there are 3 cars, means 300 cars. So now we will go to September. There are 4 cars, so 1 car carries 100 cars. So 4 cars means 400 cars. So now there is 2 questions. In which month the maximum number of cars were produced? And you can see the pictograph, it is clearly, and September has the maximum number of cars produced. And there is second question: in which month the minimum number of cars were produced? Means in July. In July there are 250, only 250 cars. So July is the least. Now pictograph, we can understand the data of production of cars produced. Okay.
In each month.
Now in each month. Okay. Now we will go to second, bar graph. I will tell you the definition. A display of information by using bars of uniform width, their height being proportional to respective values. So let's take a picture of a bar graph here. So you can see here is one vertical line at the left, and that is x-axis, and you can see here a point joining a horizontal here, like this, and that was y-axis here. So this is the number. So it is they have given the year down here and numbers here. So these are the bar graphs. So, and you can see the height of the bar graphs. So sorry, the height of the bars are the category here, and these are of same space, you can see there, and same width also. Okay, now we will go to double bar graphs. I'll tell you in simple words. Double bar graph is used to compare two data. How you know? Consider here is one data and here is one data, and you have to merge here too. So it is one data. You have combined and you get a bar graph, double bar graph. You can see it, and I'll take an example here and consider how many there in the month of July. 250 cars were produced. You have seen in pictograph, and I'll take that only data, and another is in the, and this is 2009, and we'll take 2008. In 2008, July month has produced 100, and August month has produced 200, and September month has produced 0. So we'll just combine these two, and we can see the progress here. We can match it, and we can compare the two data here. Okay.
2 years
this
data.
I'm sorry. We can compare the 2 years data here. Okay. Now we'll go to organizing data. We get unorganized data form, and it is called raw data. Example I will give you in the screen because I don't remember that. So now we'll go how you will arrange that data. So we will use tally now here, and first I will show you how to write tally here. Okay. So I will make two columns here. So for one we have to write this one. We have to write one. For two.
2 sticks.
Three sticks. Four sticks. And 5 we have to write 4 sticks and 1 stripe. And 6 we have to write 6 sticks and stripe and 1 extra. Okay. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 7, and we have to add on going on there.
These are all called tallies.
And I will write just 7 here.
These are all called tallies.
And these are all called tally. Okay. And we will go to now tally table. So let's bring the tally table here, and it is here, and you can see the subject there. So there is a subject. So first they have given the subject, and their tally is, first tally is 7, second is 5, third is 6, and fourth is 4. Okay. And these are in tally, and in the third column they have given number of students, means how many students like that. Okay. So, and this is a question about how many students like subjects, how many subjects. Okay. And you can see the number of students, the third column, and we have to write the 7. First is 7, second is 5, third is 6, fourth is 4. Okay. And these tally marks gives the number of students to the particular subject, means these are known as frequency of that subject. Frequency gives the number of times of
Data repeated.
Frequency gives the number of times of the this data repeated. Okay. I tell you again. The frequency gives the number of times data repeated. Okay. Now we will go to grouping data. Okay. You know, this small we can simplify with pictograph, bar graph. Okay, but large, how you will do?
Last data.
Last data, how you will do? For example, I will give a question. Consider a maths test here. Out of 50, how many of students have scored? And the strength is 60 here. Then how you will do? you cannot use bar graph pictograph here, and if you use here tallying, it will be too long here. So we have to group them, okay, like 0 to 10 marks first,
How,
next 10 to 20 to 30, 30 to 40, etc. And now we'll go to telegraph, and we'll bring a telegraph here, and telegraph is here, and you can see here 0 to 10, 20 to 30, 40 to 30 to 40. These are marks, and we are going to write here how many students got that much marks here. Okay, so 0 to 10 they have got only 2, okay, and 20 to 30 10 members has taken, and 30 to 40 21 members has taken, and 30 to 40 90 members has taken, and 40 to 50 7 has taken, and 50 to 60 only 1 has taken. So data presenting in this manner is called group. So it is grouped frequency distribution, okay. And you know one more thing, and 0 to 10, 20 to 30 marks, these etc. these are called class intervals, okay. Or in briefly, here I will give here 0 to 10, 20 to 30, and many more. This left side here, these are lower marks limit, and rights are upper class limit, okay. And the difference between lower class limit and upper class limit is width or size is called class interval. So now we will go to bars with a difference, okay. So bars with difference, let's consider the last one, and you know that this last one, that 60, that all marks. So this is the graph there, and this is, and now we will consider, and now we will make this into bar graphs, and let's take a graph here. So our graph is here, you can see some difference here, you can see there are no gaps here, and height are the category set, that also same, and these are joint here, no gaps. And these types of representation of data is called histogram. And now I'll put another one, and you can see here one line is there, and here some broker is there, one line here like this it is there, and you can see, and it is called jagger line or broker line, and it tells that we are not going to show the numbers between 0 and 20 there, okay. And this was the difference, bars with a difference. So this was the data handling part 1. Part 2 will be published tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, please. Thank you.